she's excited to be presenting their marketing solution. So over to you, Samantha.
Thank you so much, Joby. Morning, everyone. So I really hope you have had the opportunity to complete that brief that was sent to you via email, in the lead up to this. I would love for you to comment in the chat, are you working through that brief? And one of our amazing team members will take note of that while I walk you through this process over the next few minutes. So you've heard Daryl present the part where it was really important to document what are those goals that you want to achieve, how much have you allocated in terms of your marketing budget, and what those platforms are, from social media to radio, the production elements and all of that. So this is a key part in your marketing planning process. And from there, you've heard between Joby, MJ, and Cameron sharing how that all comes together in terms of putting that together and giving your client the opportunity to get to know, like, and trust you, which essentially leads into that transaction. That relationship building has been happening, over a period of time. Now, for me, where this comes into play is I'm going to give you the opportunity to really think about how this is going to play out when the next stage, when you kind of go, okay, I've done all my planning, I'm ready to reach my audience, and how I'm going to reach it. One of my platforms is 89.9 The Light. So in this case, as we've discussed, it is Daryl's professional services. And Daryl, through the brief, we've understood that he has a plan for the next 12 months, but he also has a long-term plan to be national through that national franchise. So in my proposal presentation, some of the suggestions that I'm really going to be highlighting and recommending is Reach Lease in order to reach that wider audience. And something, if you haven't already worked this out, is we are able to cover not just local, national, which is massive. And I'm not going to read everything that is on the presentation screen right now, but I'm going to summarize that for you. And that is really looking at how you can reach your unique audience locally, but also nationally through 89.9 The Light. So really taking your business to reach that audience. In this case, Daryl was targeting mums, the grocery buyer, the decision maker, through a unique creative that is designed specifically to address some of those key points, taking their pain and turning it into gain. That was, remember, the tagline, the catchphrase. What is your tagline? What is your catchphrase? What are you going to share on that creative? So this is where 89.9 The Light works with our amazing business owners to really get clear on that, putting that amazing creative together and getting that ready. Now, something that is extra unique and extra special that I like to highlight is the fact that when you connect with someone within the business development team and we have that initial conversation, you're dealing with one person only. So this morning, if you've been invited by either Daryl, Joby, Jim, or myself, for the rest of your time here at 89.9 The Light, we are your go-to person. So you're not repeating yourself 3-4 times over. And in case for whatever reason, one of us are on annual leave or have the day off, one of the other business development executives will have a chat to you, and then we will still come back to you. So you're not looping around or anything like that. And that is really important. Something that I've seen time and time again for business owners is that one point of contact that is journeying with you makes a significant difference. So that said, let's look at the next part of that. So this is now where I'm suggesting to Daryl's professional services what that delivery is going to look like. So he shared, he has a 12-month plan, but he also has a long-term plan. And this is where that recommendation is going to come into place around how we can reach that audience and what those initial breakdown points are. Again, for the sake of time, I'm not going to go through everything, but something that I really want to highlight here is with the reach of over 1.2 million listeners and really looking at how that campaign is planned out. In this case, we're suggesting a 12-month branding campaign, hence why you can see the activity schedule that is from January to December next year. We're looking at the frequency. How frequently is this mom, which is the target audience, the mom, the grocery buyer, going to hear this? What is that frequency? Over 7 times. What's the cost in order to hear that? Just over $2. Impressions, over 70,000 impressions a month. And wait for it, in terms of the driving clicks to your website. For Daryl's professional services, those website clicks, 80 clicks per month. Now, this is where Reach Lease, that digital extension, really has a significant impact into driving those website visits to that process that Daryl has in place through his business module to get those clients converting. And this is a summary of it. The budget is allocated here on the screen. So overall, this entire process with the reach list, online listing on 89.9 The Light, the creatives done, all that and all the other little bits and pieces are all packaged together, and that is just over 41,000 for the year plus GST. Now, before I let you go on to the next part, I want to highlight what that allocation looks like. If you're thinking, okay, so I get that in terms of the reach and people clicking onto my website, get it, okay, but how many times in a month are people going to be hearing about this on radio, right? If you're thinking that, well, I'm about to answer that. So this is where in the little gray box, if you're just looking at the three lines in there, the first line, what we are recommending to Daryl's professional services, or in this case, you're thinking about your business, we are suggesting 12 live reads. Now, Joby mentioned, if you've been listening out, there is that opportunity to get that live read for your business today, right? Booked in before Christmas Eve. In this case, 12 live reads, one every month over this branding campaign, but also the 30-second creative that we are going to professionally create for Daryl's professional services are going to be on air across the day. So ROS across the day, or for some of you that have dealt with us a little bit before, had conversations, it's called from breakfast, morning, afternoon, drive, and evening, right across, right, going across the day. We've got that allocated as well for the month, and you're looking at about 15 spots per month, give or take. And then, now remember, Daryl mentioned in that creative brief that he had a short-term goal, but he had a long-term plan in terms of those national franchises. So hence why we have allocated the National Luke and Susie Syndicate Program to run alongside this, because this is where not just in Melbourne, but nationally, they're going to get to know, like, and trust Daryl's professional services. So this is the recommendation. This has been broken down in detail. I'm more than happy to take individual questions as we progress through this presentation. So I will answer that. Joby, Daryl will take those questions for you. But this is essentially a summary of what we would present to Daryl's professional services and then have that discussion. This is what it is. Do you have any questions around that? You know, how can I explain it a little bit more in detail if you need that clarity? From there, the next step is really looking at that contract and going, okay, yep, you love it, you're ready to go, let's move forward with it. So this is where, again, I'm not going to go through all the bullet points. You can see that on the screen. We're working towards a timeline to achieve that ideal outcome for Daryl's professional services, in this case, to reach over from January to December, which is a branding plan with all those inclusions, but really looking at a long term. So this is not a quick fix. This is a long-term journey. And something that is really important is with the reach list that we have recommended there, we're going to be giving him updates. So we're going to catch up every month to go, Daryl, this is what has aired. These are the clicks. How are you going? You know, what questions do you have? So it's not just turn on the radio sponsorship campaign and go, see you later, we'll see you in 12 months. No. Here at 89.9 The Light, we are all about journeying with you. So your success is our success. We want to journey with you, and that is why you have that one point of contact there. So on the screen, as I mentioned, there are some elements in terms of the proposal presentation, terms and conditions in terms of payment, script approval. So when we create those scripts, we want you to review it, approve it, make some changes if there are any, and then we go on to the next stage. So all that is in there. As I said, if you've got any particular questions, I'd be more than happy to take that alongside any of my amazing, awesome